In the last, we have the most special tool which is used to draw and measure angles. It is shaped like half a circle. It is made of transparent plastic or glass, and we call it a protractor. You see, in this protractor, there are some markings. These markings are in degrees. We have already seen a kind of marking earlier. Can you recall in which tool? Correct, in ruler. But the ruler has graduations or markings in centimeters and inches. However, this protractor is in the shape of, right, a semicircle, and shows the markings in degrees. Now, do you remember how an angle is formed? Correct. Two rays diverging from a point make an angle. Now, observe the markings of this protractor carefully. Now, we draw a line AB and place the center of the protractor at A and the zero edge along AB. Mark a point on the periphery of this semicircle and join this point to A. What do we get? Right. It's an angle. And what is the measurement? Yes, it is 50 degrees. Now, just observe the protractor. What can you say about the range of degrees shown by this protractor? Yes, it varies from 0 degree to 180 degree. Students, it goes both the way. As you can see here that from left to right, there are markings from 0 to 180 degree. And here, marking from 180 degree to 0 degree can also be seen. So, a protractor has dual scale. We use the scale which is more convenient. We will learn more about the dual nature of protractor in our later modules. So, obviously, we can use this protractor to draw any angles. We can also use this protractor to measure an angle. Let's say we have an angle and we want to measure it. What should we do? We place the midpoint of the protractor on the vertex of the angle. Line up one side of the angle with the zero line of the protractor. Can you observe on which marking the other ray resides? Perfect! It sets on 60 degree. So, this tool has helped us to make and measure an angle. Okay, we have seen various tools in our geometry box by now. And what were they? Correct. We saw a ruler, a divider, a compass, set squares, and protractor. Apart from these, what else can you see in this geometry box now? The only things left in this box are pencil, eraser, sharpener, and you already are very well aware of their usage. So students, in this module, we have come across some other tools found in the geometry box. In our next module, we will learn how to use these tools in order to draw and measure various geometric figures.